Hi, welcome back to Tech Boss. Today we are going to learn SUB command, how to strike the text, what are the different types of heading level and body level, how to change the color of the web page, how to change the color of the text written in web page. So let's start. First of all, we'll open our notepad as usual. Then we'll write our first command HTML, and then we'll write head, and then we'll write the title. So in the title we'll write practice HTML, and then we'll close the title. Then we'll close the head, and then we'll go to the body. In the body we'll write H1. So H1 is example of heading tags. So we use heading tags to define headings in the web page. Headings are used to separate text or add new topics on the web page. There are 6 different heading levels which vary from H1 to H6. H1 tag defines the largest heading and H6 defines the smallest heading. So I'll close this H1 and I'll write welcome to my first web page, and then I'll close the H1. Then I go to and then I'll underline this text. Underline, U stands for underline. Cool and useful tips for kids. Then I'll close the underline as well. Sorry. Then we'll do BR, and then we'll write 1. Now the command I'm going to tell is important. The command name is sup, S-U-P. So sup stands for superscript. If I write here, suppose number 1, peep into educational websites. No, first we'll write follow a hobby. Follow a hobby. Then I write BR. Then second, peep into educational websites. And then one more PR. And then we'll write cooking hobby classes starting 13th. We'll add the sub command, but I will show you what is the use of it, otherwise you won't understand the use. So I'll just write 13th, for example, uh, August 2021. Then I write rupees 300 per class, and then I'll write the sentence now for free. So I'll tell you all the tags. You must be thinking what I am doing. So if I tell you the tag here only without showing you, so you won't understand the difference. So now we'll write BR, and then we'll write H4. H4 command smaller than H1, and then thank you. and then we'll close the H4 and we close the body, we close the HTML. So now, as usual, save as desktop, locate the folder, we'll give the name as program, oh sorry, program 2.html, and then all files. Save. I'll just minimize it, open it, open this program too. See, welcome to my first web page. This is the biggest font we have in HTML. And then cool and useful tips for kids underlined. First, follow a hobby. Second, peep into educational websites. Cooking hobby classes starting 13th August 2021. Rupees 300 per class now for free. Now what I'll do, I'll just add here ST and here ND. Save, refresh. See, it is coming like this. So, don't you think it is looking nice? Wherever you must have seen, ST comes on the top, like I'll show you. ST doesn't come in the line itself, it comes above the line just a little bit. So, what we will do, before this ST, we'll add the command sup. Sup means superscript. Then we'll close the soup. I refresh, I save, I refresh. See, I was saying like this ST. So it has changed. So you now will be thinking that this looks more systematic than this. And it is even looking nicer than this one. Now I do the same here. Soup. And I'll end the soup here. I save, I refresh. See, second has also changed. So now I will tell you this, now I will tell you here also we'll do. So I'll tell you how to do. So 13th August before th, soup, after th, closed soup. I save it, I refresh it. See, 13th August is also now in, 13th August is also soup now, th. Now first, now I want that this I'm writing cooking hobby classes starting 13th August 2021. Then I'll just give a BR here. BR. I save, refresh. Now the next line says rupees 300 per class now for free. Now we want that the customer should get attracted. So now we want that we need to show the customers that we are cutting this. Earlier our charges used to be 300 per class, but now it is for free, so that the customers get attracted towards your websites. So I'll put here the command strike and I'll end the strike here. I save, I refresh. See, it has got striked. Now I want that this thank you should be more bigger. So I go here H4 and I H1. Save, refresh. See, it is big. So these are till H7. If I do H7, I save it. See, this is the smallest text. And if you say we'll add H100, we can add it, but it will take only H7. So H100 is also the same amount of size. H7, we'll change it to H4. Save, refresh. So now I want to change the color of my web page, background color of my web page. So I'll go to my notepad. Here in body, I'll write BG color. So the spelling of the spelling of this color is wrong. Computer will not accept this spelling. It will only accept this spelling. BG color equal to, BG stands for background color. Then inverted commas. Then suppose we'll write yellow. Close the inverted commas. Save. See, it has changed to yellow. Now there are some color codes for each color. So I'll write the color codes in the description given below. I have wrote them. So from yellow, I'll suppose write the color code of it. So the color code of yellow is 4 times F and then 0 0. Oh sorry, it's OO. Save, refresh. Wait, I'll write again. Yellow has come. Now I think we'll try for some another color. So we'll try for gray. So gray is, oh sorry, 8 0 8 0 8 0. So inverted commas, then this, save. See, the color changed to gray. Now I'll change it to yellow. So you can add these codes, but I think it is not necessary. You can just add the name of the color. So I save, refresh, yellow. Now I have to change the text color of my web page. So I'll go again to my notepad. Here I'll write font color equal to, we'll choose suppose red. Save, font color red. Sorry, it is text. See, the text changed. So now I'll choose it to suppose purple. I save it, I refresh it. See, the color changed to purple. Everything changed to purple. So that was all for today. Thank you. Stay home, stay safe. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.